right in here. But the secret is you've got to keep really still, mate, okay?
Yes.
Keep as still as you can.
Did I get the male?
That's the black one. Yeah, they come in.
Which one?
Just shooting, mate.
Was that a pair?
Yeah, well, there's another couple of hairs over here. So this is the paradise shelduck. This is the female. They fly around in pairs. They mate for life. So here's the drake. It's the male.
Which is unusual that the female has a little bit more color than the male.
Yeah, that's right. So these are a native bird to New Zealand. The only place in the world that you can hunt them. They're more like a goose than a duck.
Yeah.
Even though it's a shell duck.
Yeah.
But their habits are like a goose. You know, they feed out in the pasture. Awesome. Well done, mate. It's all part of your guide's training course, mate. Floyd, there is your bird, mate.
Oh man.
Look at that,
Very pretty color.
isn't it?
I think he'd go perfect with the monster stag, the fantastic chamois, the fantastic tar, and the bird's paradise.